Indonesia, a country rich in ethnics, cultures and natural resources spanning widely across archipelagic islands, is a great potential for development through the use of technologies for human welfare. One of the technologies to be adopted is isotope and radiation application. This technology has been developed by PAIR, Isotope and Radiation Application Center, established in 1966 by National Nuclear Power Institute. PAIR is committed to becoming the prominent central research institute for isotope and radiation application at regional level, which sets the highest priority in safety and active participation in the national development. In Indonesia, rice is the daily staple food. Similarly, processed food and fast food as side dishes or alternative to rice. The most important matter is quality raw materials, which are generated from lands and vegetations of quality nutrition, thus producing high nutrition food. The aim of the research was to assembly improved variety of vegetations with transfer breeding method. The function of radiation here is to improve the diversity of crop genetics. Seeds are radiated using gamma ray with prescribed dose and later planted as M1 plants. All M1 plants are harvested to be grown as M2 plants. The diversity of plant genetics will be present in the M2 generation, so that sorting can be made on the expected properties of plants for the purpose given. Next, the sorted plants are replanted as M3 plants, called as mutant strain. The mutant strains are bred and further tested for productivity, quality and resistance from pest and main diseases. The pure strains are also tested for adaptability in all areas in Indonesia. Based on the data collected, proposal is assembled to release the mutant strains as new improved variety. The researchers conducted have also generated 21 new improved varieties of paddy with improved properties in high productivity, fast harvesting, delicate taste and pest tolerance. The availability of paddy seeds is also determinant to the success of agricultural business system. The availability of quality and certified seeds is rare, so that proper and sustainable seeding system is necessary. PAIR works together with seed manufacturers in a number of regions. One of them is Boyolali.
Aktivitas usaha kami adalah mengembangkan dan menangkarkan benih. Nah, untuk itu perlu adanya sumber benihnya gitu. Kita tahu bahwa sampai saat ini ketersediaan benih sumbernya itu sangat amat terbatas. Nah, kebetulan ini BATAN sebagai salah satu penyedia benih sumber ya.
Furthermore, distribution system of paddy seeds in several regions is also necessary. The purpose is to disseminate information to rice farmer groups on the new improved features of varieties compared with previous ones, thus attracting farmers to plant improved varieties of paddy introduced by PAIR.
Sekarang Satya Jaya sudah bisa mengembangkan produk-produk dari hasil Badan Tenaga Nuklir Nasional. Produknya sangat bagus, produknya tinggi, kemudian benihnya juga termasuk benih unggul. Benih unggul bisa dilihat dari yang pertama ada tingkat ketahanan hama, kemudian anakan banyak, produktivitasnya tinggi.
Below are 10 improved varieties of soybeans with improved features: high productivity, high protein, fast harvesting, big seeds, tolerance to suboptimal land, and resistance to pests and diseases. In the buckwheat breeding, there are 3 improved varieties that can be used for food materials, livestock feeding, and bioethanol fuel. In addition, there are also breeding of other plants like wheat, green beans, and others. In the sector of agriculture, PAIA also owns tissue culture laboratory used to reproduce plants in vegetative manner and to reproduce selected mutant strains. Greenhouse facility, a facility used to sort, breed and test plant mutant strains. In addition, it is also used to acclimatization of plants generated from tissue culture. There are also seed storage facility called cool storage system for germplasm seeds or genetic sources at a room temperature of 5 degrees and storability up above 1 to 2 years or more. Optimization on suboptimal. Suboptimal land is defined as plot of land with low fertility for growth of vegetation. The purpose of the research is to optimize agricultural products on suboptimal land, such as dried land, acid-dried land, tidal land, and saline land. The success of the research was supported by factors like availability of improved variety, water resources and fertilizing technology, chemical, organic, or biochar fertilizers. In addition, the research is also useful for mitigation and adaptation to climate change. Bioremediation is defined as the process to treat contaminated land using rhizosphere microbial inoculants, or IMR, which reduces the toxicity of pollutants such as heavy metals, hydrocarbon, and others, while stimulating soil diversity and activities to improve soil and vegetation health. Oligokitasan is an agent to accelerate the growth of vegetations made of shrimp skin waste chemically processed and treated with gamma radiation. This agent is beneficial to improve the growth ability of vegetations, prevent from and reduce vegetation diseases, enhance plant immunity from diseases, and to increase crop productivity. Below are some of the results from the study on oligokitasan. In the recent era, humans need safe, hygienic, and nutritional foods. To improve health on food products, PAIA has also developed phytosanitary to Gadong Ginchu mango through radiation process. The benefit from this research is to prevent from reproduction of fruit flies, which trigger decay in fruit. The research on food sanitary and irradiation proved to extend the fast food storability up to 1.5 years without significant quality degradation. Availability of livestock feed has also been the primary issue in ruminant livestock breeding, other than health and reproduction level. The increasing number of population and agricultural intensification has led to depleted livestock availability. In Indonesia, there are about 65 million tons per year of paddy straws generated from harvest, and only 30% has been used. The rest is disposed of and burnt. This is, however, caused by lack of farmers' knowledge in optimizing the use of paddy straws as substitute to grass for livestock feed. The production of fermented paddy straws uses La2 microstar starter, which generates soft paddy straw texture, fragrant aroma, and usable as substitute to grass. There are also kinds of livestock supplements such as UMMB, SPM, and Superblock. Moreover, there are complete livestock feed, protein source feed, and probiotic. The benefit of livestock feed supplements is to furnish nutrition to improve ruminant microbial activities, thus improving the ruminant productivity. It is essential to maintain and ensure livestock health, and disease infection must be prevented. In relation to this, PAIA has developed vaccines for livestock using radiation technique to eliminate the disease agent and to improve immunity on ruminant livestock, that is, to prevent from mastitis disease or mame inflammation and fasciola hepatica diseases. It has also developed radioimmunoassay technology, or RIA, using iodium isotope 125 to optimize livestock optimization. Besides enhancing the quality of livestock, PAIA has also developed testosterone metal hormone for fish masculinization so that fish will grow faster. Microwave Plasma Atomic Emission Spectrometer, or MPAES, is a tool designed to measure the macro and mineral elements such as toxic heavy metals, which inhibits the growth of plants. In addition, MPAES may also be used to measure the change in macro-micro elements in mutant plants.
Pusat Aplikasi Isotop dan Radiasi yang selanjutnya akan disingkat PAIR merupakan salah satu unit kerja di BATAN yang memiliki tugas untuk melakukan penelitian di bidang pertanian, bidang industri dan lingkungan, dan bidang proses radiasi. Pelaksanaan diseminasi dan penyebarluasan produk-produk BATAN ini tentu merupakan salah satu kontribusi BATAN dalam ikut mendukung kedaulatan pangan nasional.
Various activities in research and development by PAIA has given contribution and benefit, especially in supporting national food security in pursuit of welfare for the people of Indonesia.